Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and today is Tuesday, January 4th, second day of the trading year. And this was the pre-market, just pointing out some of the turning points and continuation trades here, just based on this timing tools I have here up, showing you something of how and when to hit the hole, so to speak, where to get in at the lowest risk entries. These here are just turning points. There's a few consolidation continuation points here along the way. Some of these aren't, not every one of them would be trades. Some are better than others, and there's following the method, you would pass on a few of these. This could be one that I would probably pass on this trade right here. There's a lot of different things I'd be looking at, and in the higher time frame charts, and can't get all into that right now, but if you did take this trade, could have been a 3-tick stop. But the momentum here is still to the downside. Actually, we had a pretty clear spot of where the market was going to go to, and I'll show you that later. So here's another turning point and a couple of potential add-on trades or individual trades to continue in that short direction. This is a trade I might have taken. There could have been a short-term target up here that actually didn't happen, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, a 3-tick trade would have made it okay, which is kind of shallow, but nonetheless, it could have been a small loss, and or this area here would have been a very good spot to get short to actually finalize the downside target, which was really down here. This was a very clear target area that the method would have told you where to look, and actually very good trade there, and that was really clear. Market starts to bounce off of that big support area all the way back up, and it actually goes to a market extreme eventually towards the end of the day. It was right up in here. Actually, this area was a target. This is one end of the extreme. This was the higher end of the extreme. But along the way, this would have been an out if you were just writing this up. This could have been a re-entry area right in here. And these are just, just based on this little, these indicators that I have, just narrows it down to where these turning point areas and continuation areas are. So that was, and actually this was the upside target right here. So that would actually been fine for a point trade. This would have been okay for a point trade, and there was a lot more in here, but anyway, those are just the trades there from today. And going back, we looked at yesterday. No personal trading here for me today. Maybe later in the week, or probably more than likely Monday. These were the trades that we had marked up based on just what I'm showing you now. There's a complete methodology behind all these, all of this, and that would give you the exact same spots really to enter most of these trades, just based on the method, not necessarily at all really based on trade indicators. So the price is really the king. If you understand support and resistance and how traders are going to react in these areas, then you'll know how to deal with it. You can just see, just again, based on, these are turning points. This was from a few days back. This little area in here, long, short, long, and you really only need a couple points out of all of this to get some meaningful profit out of this. I think that was the day before. So maybe pause this. I'll show you another day before this. Okay, well, this is just another day before that last one. I believe I did a screenshot of this before. Let me see here. Kind of got stuck there. There we go. This was the previous day. I think this was Friday. You can just see again there the market was kind of turning. Same type of thing. You can see, definitely see I've got some targets marked. Those were areas that the market would likely trade to. Low risk entries, turning points, continuation trades. But you can just see there's really very consistent. But if you screen out